A very good morning, students, and welcome back in the online session of science. See, students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic of life, that's water. Okay. So, before starting our chapter, let me tell you something that we should save water. See, how we'll save the water, students? See, if we are taking a 1 bucket of water for taking a bath, then instead of that we can use a 3/4 of the bucket. Okay, so by doing these things we can save a little bit portion of the water. So now let's start the chapter. Suppose for some reasons your family gets only 1 bucket of water every day for a week. Imagine what would happen. Will you be able to cook, clean the utensils, wash the clothes, or bath? What are the other activities you will not be able to do? What should happen if we do not have easy access to water for a long period of time? See what they're telling, that for a week if we are getting only 1 bucket of water, then it will be a very tough for the person to do the whole day activity. See what are the activities we are doing in a day? Cooking, cleaning, washing, bathing. And if we are getting a 1 bucket of water, then it's possible to do this all things? No, I don't think so it's possible. Apart from drinking, there are so many activities for which we use water. Figure 14.1. See, in a figure 14.1, they are given some of the activities. Let's see what was that. See, here one person is washing the clothes, another one is taking the bath. The lady is just taking out the water from this one wall, and this one lady is going to take the drinking water. Right? Those are the 4 activities they have given. Do you have an idea about the quantity of water we use in a single day? See, what they are telling, that we don't have any idea that how much water we are using in a single day, but we should know that how much water we are using in a single day. By doing that, we will come to know that how much quantity of the water we are wasting in a day. If we are using in a proper portion, then it could be a use of the water. Otherwise, it could be a waste of the water. How much water do we use? Let's start the activity, then after we will come to know. List all the activities for which you use water in a day. Some activities are listed in a table 14.1. See here 14.1, one table is given. What are the activities? Drinking, brushing, bathing, washing utensils, washing clothes, toilets, cleaning floor. Any other activity for which we use water? And the third one, the total water used in a day by a family, that we have to measure. Make a similar table in your notebook. See, this activity each and every students have to do, and they should know that how much water the family is using. Okay, so it's a homework and you have to do this activity. You first of all make this similar table in your notebook. Throughout the day, measure the amount of the water used for each activity by you and other family members. See, you have to measure the amount of the water. How we will measure it? By the bucket or by a mug or by a glass. See, in a bucket, if you are using a 1 bucket of water, then you will write there a 1 bucket. If you are using a mug of the water, then write a 1 mug. Okay, while doing this, you will come to know. So you have to note down that how much of water you and your family is using. You may use a mug, a glass, a bucket, or any other container to measure the amount of the water used. See, what they are telling, that you can use a mug, a glass, a bucket, or any other container to measure the amount of the water. Clear? And see students, like this you have to make one table in your this one rough book, and then after you have to measure whether in a drinking, if you are using, your family is using 3 bottles of drinking water, then write it over the 3 bottles. Brushing, you are using a 2 mug, then write 2 mug of water. Okay. Bathing, 1 bucket. Washing utensils, 2 buckets. Washing clothes, 3 or 4 bucket. How much is required? For toilet, if you are using 1 bucket, then write a 1 bucket over there. Cleaning floor, 1 bucket. Any other activity, then you can also write there as a for a watering the plants or for washing the floor or anything else, you can take it over there. So how much of the water you have taken, you can write it as 3 bucket or 4 bucket, 2 bucket. Okay, then after make a total of it. 3 2 plus 1 2, that all things you make and just put a average total over here. That's approximate this much of the things, this much of the quantity of the water you are using per day. Okay, so while you doing this, you will come to know that how much of water, quantity of the water you are using in a day. So the remaining from here we will continue in our next video session. Okay, so today we'll stop it over here, and that's all for the day, students. Have a wonderful day.